Centripetal force depends on the mass, velocity and radius of the circle. Here object performing circular motion with velocity v. Now derive the expression for centripetal force. Force depends upon mass, velocity and radius. So m to the power a, v to the power b and r to the power c. So F is equal to k, ma, vb and rc. Now write the dimensional formula of all physical quantities. F is equal to kg meter per second square. So m1 l1 t minus 2 for mass, m1 l0 t0 for velocity meter per second. So m0 l1 t minus 1 and for radius m0 l1 t0. Put all the value here. m1 l1 t minus 2 is equal to k m to the power 1 l0 t0 a, then m0 l1 t minus 1 power b, then for radius m0 l1 t0 power c. So k 1 into a, so m to the power a. Now here l to the power b, t to the power minus b, here l to the power c. Okay, so one more step, k m to the power a, l to the power b and c. So it is b plus c and t to the power minus b. Compare with LHS. So a is equal to 1, b plus c is equal to 1, minus b is equal to minus 2. So one answer we got, a is equal to 1, minus b is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to 2. Put the value of b. So 2 plus c is equal to 1. So c is equal to minus 1. Now we have relationship f is equal to k m power a is equal to 1, then v square r minus 1. So it is k mv square by r. Now the value of constant k is 1. So centripetal force Fc is m v square by r. So this is the expression for centripetal force.